Tas amžinas laikas pažvelgs į akis, gimtadienio šventė atėjo. Čia liesi šampanas ir taustų sakys, varpais taurės vėl suskambėjo.
Sometimes it feels like making breakfast is hard, real hard. Let's make it easy, baby. Start with cream cheese. Take it off, all the way off. Add some pumpkin, and mix it up, nice and slow. Now, spread it on. Add some chopped apple for a juicy crunch. Yeah, that's it. Now pour on the maple syrup and don't stop till it's sweet enough. Easy to enjoy, anytime, anywhere. Now that's breakfast with benefits.